Hello, in this video we're going to look at finding the actual distance given the scale and the scale distance. So a map has a scale of 1:25,000. Find the actual distance for a scale distance of 5 millimeters. Answer in meters. So first thing with these problems, you want to make a data table. So here's our little process. Our data table. So a map has a scale of 1:25,000. I'm just going to put that there to make it make sense to me. 1 centimeter is 25,000 centimeters. From that, I can see that the scale factor is that number on the right-hand side. Then it says find the actual distance. So that's my unknown. For a scale distance of 5 millimeters. A scale distance equals 5 millimeters. So what I want to make sure that I do is convert my units to what is needed. All right. Convert to consistent units. I've said that this is centimeters on either side. Okay. So I'm going to change this scale distance into centimeters. What's 5 millimeters as centimeters? Well, 0.5 millimeters. I mean centimeters. Whoops. Okay. Then you're using this formula. Actual equals map times scale factor. Okay, good. It's already actual as their subject, so that's nice. Map distance, well, that is what scale distance is. They mean the same thing. So let's plug that in there. 0.5 times 25,000. 0.5 times 25,000, 12,500, and we chose to work with centimeters, so we're going to get out centimeters. And it says answer in meters, which is nice. So they've told us what unit they want our answer in. So it's in meters, so divide by 100, 125 meters. Okay, that's the actual distance. A tourist map of a national park uses a scale of 1:50,000. Like, I might just write down my data table right now. Scale factor is 50,000. On a map, the straight line distance between Twin Falls and Campground A is 12 centimeters. On a map, the distance is 12 centimeters. Map distance equals 12 centimeters. While I'm here, I'm just going to write that next to it. 1 centimeters to 50,000 centimeters. Working in centimeters, nice. What is the actual distance between these two towns? Now I've got this formula in my head. Actual equals map times the scale factor. Actual equals map times the scale factor. So, and actually, what is our unknown? It said what is the actual distance in that last sentence. So it helps to put that in your data table. Even if you don't know it, put a question mark next to it, and then that's what we're finding in our formula. Map is 12 times scale factor. So 5 12s are 60 with 4 zeros on the end. Okay. And we plugged in centimeters, so we should get out centimeters. And see how there's lots of zeros there? They would most likely want your answer in meters or kilometers. So I'm going to say, let's see what it looks like in meters. So we're going to divide by 100. Still too many zeros. Let's divide by 1,000 and get to kilometers. So it's 6 kilometers is our actual distance. 12 centimeters represents 6 kilometers in real life. Okay. In the next video, actually, we're going to look at finding the scale factor given the scaled length and the actual length. So I will see you there.